Okay, so I want to hang this surround sound receiver up in my shop. That way I can have some music. And where I want to hang it is over here, under this cabinet, so it's out of the way. How I plan to do that is by using 1x2s. So use one on the wall for one side of the shelf, and then use this bracket for the other side, then lay a piece of plywood as the actual flat part the receiver lays on, and then I just have to run wiring and hang speakers. So let's do that. Okay, I got the bracket put together. Now we just have to mount everything to the wall and go from there and cut the plywood. So let's go do that. Well, it's not perfect, but they're up. So now we just need to cut the top. Actually, instead of cutting a piece out for it, I had an old cabinet door lying around, and this is just fake wood. Yeah. It's just fake wood. Ain't good for anything. So instead of wasting a piece of plywood, we'll just do that on top. Move those wires. There you go. Problem solved. Now let's put the stereo on. There we go. There's what the stereo looks like on it. Now I just have to hang the speakers and do the wiring. Okay, so these are the speakers that I have lying around, which I'll put up for now. I know they're just a random set of speakers, but it's better than nothing, and it didn't cost anything because they were laying around. Eventually I'll probably put better ones up, but this will do for now. Later on, in another project, I think I'll take my workbench and build a sound system into it, but have it much smaller than a surround sound receiver, and do it all custom from the ground up. So might do that sometime. So with these, I have to build stands and stuff for them to hang them on the wall. So let's build those. Okay, so I got all the speakers hung up. I only had to make a stand for one because most of them either had hooks or I could put them on something like this cabinet. This one had a hook on it. So did this one as well. But those two didn't. So I had to make a shelf for the one. Because there's nowhere to put it up here. So I just made a crude shelf. It's just hanging there, barely. But it's good enough for what it is, which is the main thing. Now I just gotta run wiring. So I'll be back when the wiring's done. Okay, so I got the wiring done. Wiring just kind of ran along the ceiling. As you can see. I would put more up in the drop-down ceiling, but this drop-down ceiling is very bad and hard to get into, so as long as it's out of the way, it's fine with me. So here it is. It works. I'm not going to turn it on because I don't have anything to play that isn't, copyrighted, but there's a setup.